Ever wondered if your thoughts have weight? Like, literally, can they influence the world around you? Science is starting to peek behind the curtain, revealing a hidden connection between our minds and reality, thanks to a bizarre phenomenon called quantum entanglement. Remember Einstein? Even his brilliant mind couldn't wrap his head around how particles can be mysteriously linked, instantly mirroring each other's state across vast distances. So, if particles can be entangled, what about our thoughts? Could they be entangled with our reality in ways we never imagined? This video is your mind-bending journey into this mind-blowing realm. We'll explore the science, unveil the potential impact of your thoughts on the very fabric of existence, and even discover practical applications that could change everything. Okay, let's begin. Imagine two dancers miles apart, mirroring each other's every move with perfect synchronicity. This isn't telepathy, it's the bizarre reality of quantum entanglement, a phenomenon that left even Einstein baffled. Enter Leo and Mia, two particles created in the same quantum event, forever linked in an unbreakable dance. Their spins, like the dancers' movements, are eerily intertwined. Change Leo's spin, and Mia's instantly flips to the opposite, no matter the distance. This instantaneous connection transcends space and time, defying our classical understanding of physics. But the strangeness doesn't stop there. Each particle, before being observed, exists in a state called quantum superposition. It's like a ballerina pirouetting in midair, simultaneously holding every possible spin state until someone looks. This fuzziness challenges the notion of a fixed reality, suggesting possibilities exist until observation collapses them into one. Albie, the curious astronomer, stumbles upon this entanglement while studying distant stars. He observes two entangled photons, their destinies locked. Then he separates them by light years. To his astonishment, measuring one photon's spin instantly determines the other's, regardless of the distance. Einstein famously dubbed this spooky action at a distance, highlighting its violation of his own theory of relativity. How can information travel faster than light? It was a paradox that tormented him. Now let's shift our gaze to the double-slit experiment. Imagine firing a beam of light at two slits, creating an interference pattern on a screen, proof of light's wave nature. But what happens when we send individual photons, one at a time? We expect random dots like raindrops on a window. But instead we see the same interference pattern. How? Enter Marlin Scully, a visionary physicist. In the 1980s, he repeated the experiment with electrons, tiny particles we typically picture as solid. Remarkably, he observed the same wave-particle duality. But here's the twist. When he tried to see which slit an electron went through, the interference pattern vanished. The act of observation, it seems, collapses the wave function into a particle, forcing a choice. This mind-bending experiment raises a profound question. Does the observer create reality? Is the universe a passive canvas, waiting for us to paint it with our observations? Or is there an inherent dance between consciousness and matter, where our thoughts and intentions hold more power than we ever imagined? The implications are vast. If our minds can influence the behavior of particles, could they also influence the world around us? Could focused intention, positive thoughts, or even collective consciousness have a tangible impact on reality? This is the territory we'll explore next, venturing beyond the established boundaries of science to peek into the uncharted realm of the observer effect and its potential to rewrite the rules of the universe. So, if our minds can influence particles, can they influence our own reality? Enter the intriguing proposition of the quantum event manifestation equation. Q equals to A multiply E. Here, Q represents the desired quantum event, like attracting wealth, healing illness, or finding love. A stands for attention, the focus you direct towards your desire. However, attention isn't just a binary on or off switch. We introduce the concept of the attention constant, A, which can be Positive means +1, focused, unwavering belief and positive emotions like gratitude and joy. Neutral, 0, lack of attention or indifference towards the desired outcome. Negative -1, doubt, fear, worry, or resistance towards the event happening. The value of E represents the energy, both physical and emotional, invested in manifesting your desire. This includes actions taken, emotions felt, and the overall effort behind your intention. Now the magic happens. The equation suggests that the quality and intensity of your attention, multiplied by the energy you put in, determines the manifestation of your desired quantum event. Let's break it down. Positive attention, +1. When you focus on your goal with unwavering belief, gratitude, and joy, you send a positive signal to the quantum field. This attracts favorable circumstances, opportunities, and synchronicity aligned with your desire. For example, focusing on abundance with positive emotions opens you up to unexpected financial opportunities. Neutral attention, 0. Lack of attention means the universe receives no clear signal from you. The desired event might still occur by chance, but it's much less likely or impactful. Indifference towards wealth, for instance, keeps you stuck in your current financial situation. Negative attention -1. Doubt, fear, and worry create a negative force field, repelling what you desire. Negatively focusing on financial struggles reinforces those limitations, attracting more of the same. Attention isn't just about the presence or absence of focus, it's about the quality of that focus. Let's delve deeper. Positive attention. Imagine radiating warmth and joy towards your goal. This attracts supportive people, opens doors to opportunity, and creates a harmonious flow towards manifestation. Neutral attention. Think of indifference as a blank slate. While it doesn't actively repel your desire, it doesn't actively attract it either, leaving things stagnant. Negative attention. Picture fear and doubt like dark clouds blocking the sun. They create resistance, push opportunities away, and hinder progress towards your goals. Now, we come to intention energy. Intention is the fuel that energizes your desire. It's not just wishing, it's taking aligned action, feeling the emotions of your desired outcome, and radiating belief through your thoughts and actions. The stronger your intention energy, the more potent the signal you send to the universe, amplifying the impact of your attention. Remember, the equation isn't just about attracting material things. Imagine focusing positive attention with strong intention energy on improving your relationships, healing your body, or finding inner peace. The possibilities are vast, limited only by your imagination and the quality of your attention and intention. Remember, the quantum manifestation equation isn't a magic formula. Let's address some common misinterpretations. Misconception 1. Manifestation is instant. It's a process, not a microwave dinner. Trust the timing of the universe and focus on continuous growth. Misconception 2. It's just about positive thinking. Positive attention is crucial, but aligned action and releasing negativity are equally important. Misconception 3. It only works for material desires. This framework applies to relationships, well-being, and personal growth too. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: skepticism. The idea of our consciousness influencing reality can seem radical. However, quantum physics itself challenges our classical understanding of the universe. Open your mind to the possibility, explore the science, and see what resonates with you. Finally, we all encounter negative attention at times. Don't beat yourself up. Acknowledge it, shift your focus, and redirect your energy towards positive emotions and intentions. Remember, you have the power to choose your mental state and the signal you send to the universe. So there you have it, a glimpse into the mind-bending world of quantum entanglement and its potential impact on our very reality. It's a vast topic, and we've just scratched the surface, but hopefully it's sparked your curiosity and challenged your perception of the possible. Friends, you are more than just a passive observer in this grand cosmic play. You have the power to harness the potential of your attention and intention, shaping your own reality with every thought and action. If you enjoyed this exploration, smash that like button and share it with your curious friends. And if you want to dive deeper into the mysteries of the universe and empower yourself to create the life you desire, subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending content. Until next time, remember, the universe is listening. Choose your thoughts wisely and manifest your dreams.